In this scene, a commissar declares, one soldier gets a rifle, the other one gets only bullets. Sounds terrifying, right? But did this really happen? When Nazi Germany invaded the Soviet Union on June 22, 1941, the Red Army was caught off guard. Their weapons were outdated compared to the Germans, and Stalin's purges had stripped them of experienced generals. But the truth? It wasn't quite as extreme as Hollywood shows. Yes, the Soviets faced shortages, but not to the point of sharing rifles between pairs of soldiers. Instead, they relied on sheer numbers to overwhelm the enemy, covering up their lack of modern weapons with human waves. So not total fiction, but definitely an exaggeration.